Welcome aboard Buck & Bill's, a 2006 Ocean Yacht 73 Super Sport, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. This is the largest and most extravagant vessel that Ocean Yachts has ever designed. Buck & Bill's exemplifies what Ocean Yachts does best, masterfully blending the luxury of pure cruising vessel with the ruggedness of a horizon-chasing battlewagon. She has great lines, tremendous power, and an extensive list of equipment and features. Buck & Bill's boast an extraordinary 150 square foot cockpit. There are multiple in-deck fish boxes with freezer plates. A Garmin chart plotter is conveniently mounted where it can be viewed from the cockpit. Going forward along the wide side decks, grab handles are conveniently mounted along the cabin sides, making this safe and easy. At the bow, there is plenty of working room and easy access to the ground tackle. There is a Lumar vertical windlass with capstan and easy access deck switches to operate the windlass. Buck & Bill's is equipped with a davit and tender cradle to safely and easily launch and recover a tender. From the cockpit, we can head up to the bridge level, where there is a deck space that also features a secondary helm station. Engine room access is very easy and quick from a sizable hatch in the cockpit deck, and it's easy and safe to go below. Buck & Bill's has a superb engine room with easy access to both sides of the engines. The engines are powerful MTU 16V 2000 engines that produce 2,000 horsepower each. There are two Onan 21.5 kilowatt generators. Walking into the salon, you are greeted by an expansive floor plan with 3 sofas to port and a concealed wet bar to starboard. The salon is bathed in warm, natural light and has an abundant amount of room for entertaining or snuggling to watch a movie. With a sizable dinette area and a remarkably equipped galley, the salon alone makes for an extraordinary space for entertaining family, friends, and clients alike. Forward of the salon, you have the galley and dinette area that really ties these spaces together to make a great social atmosphere. The dinette to starboard and comfortably seats 6 adults. The large galley to port really allows the chef to be engaged in the entertainment. The galley offers a double basin sink, large electric stove, an oven, and ample countertop space. The 6 separate drawer refrigeration system allows the option of each drawer being a refrigerator or freezer and offers a significant amount of storage space. In addition to the refrigerators, there are 2 wine coolers. Next, we ascend the beautiful spiral staircase to the bridge. The enclosed Flybridge can be conveniently accessed from either the Salon or a ladder on the aft deck. This spacious bridge deck has a full wet bar and a large settee, the perfect spot to enjoy the panoramic views while underway. There is an amazing 360-degree view from the Flybridge. Buck & Bills is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm. This includes Furuno navnets, Garmin displays, Senrad autopilot, multiple VHF radios, MTU engine controls, bow thruster, and much more. Next, we head below to the living accommodations. There are 4 staterooms, each expertly designed and configured with lavishly appointed ensuite heads. As you walk down the stairs to the guest cabins, you head aft and walk right into the master suite. This full beam, well-appointed master suite has all the comforts of your home. The bed is a large king-size, center-line bed. There is plenty of storage and a large vanity to port. The master stateroom head is spacious and features a vacuum flush toilet, Corian countertops, and a spacious walk-in shower. Moving forward, we head to the crew stateroom. The crew stateroom features a bunk bed configuration and has plenty of storage. Additionally, the crew stateroom shares a dayhead with a private entrance. The dayhead is centrally located, easy to access, and also features a full walk-in shower. On the port side is a sizable guest stateroom with twin beds. There is ample storage and 2 drawers under each bed and a large cedar-lined hanging locker. The guest stateroom features a head with a full-size stand-up shower and vanity. As we continue moving forward, we enter the well-appointed forward VIP stateroom with a walk-around queen bed to port and a vanity to starboard. There is plenty of storage in a large cedar-lined hanging locker and drawers under the bed for those longer trips. This stateroom is equipped with a head that is plentiful in size, with a full stand-up shower and impressive vanity with mirror and storage. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, Buck & Bills strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort and can take you anywhere you dream of going. To book your appointment to view Buck & Bills, contact Little Yacht Sales.